Hi everyone. Today I would like to share my diet in a day and what I eat to get ripped or to just maintain my cuts. But sometimes I change my diet a little so I can get ripped. I'm going to try to explain how I do it. I use no drugs. All I do is diet. Here we go. Let's start with the macros. I need about, because of my physical activity, I move a lot, I do a lot of movement. I weigh 160 pounds. I figured out I need about 2,500 calories to maintain my weight. However, to maintain my cuts. However, when I want to get cut up even more, I drop down to 2,000 calories. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you need to drop down about 400 or 500 calories from your normal eating habits. Out of those 2,000 calories, 50% of them, of 2,000, is from protein sources. 40% is from carbohydrates, and 10% is from good fats, healthy fats. Actually, I'll explain further later what I mean by fats. So let's get with the protein. Out of 2,000 calories, 50% is 1,000 calories. Now, out of those 1,000 calories, you have to divide by 4 because each protein contains 4 calories. So that comes out to 250 grams of protein daily. Now, for the carbs, 40% of 2,000 is 800. Again, carbs also have, for each carb is 4 calories. So 800 divided by 4 is 200. I eat 200 grams of carbs. Now, the rest is in fats. So you got 800 and you got 1,000. 1,000 is from protein, 800 calories is from carbs, and the other 200 calories is from fat sources. And 200 calories comes out because each gram of fat has 9 calories. So basically, out of 200 calories, all I eat is about 11 grams of fat daily. That's what I do to get cut up. I eat 11 grams of fat daily, 200 grams of carbs, and 250 grams of protein. Now, let me break down my meals. I eat 5 meals a day. Okay? I wake up in the morning. I drink my coffee. I'm not going to go into the coffee part. Okay? What I do is I eat 6 egg whites. I chop up a piece of red pepper, bell pepper, small carrot, all organic, and some tomato. And I put 1 or 2 tablespoons of dry parsley in there with some rosemary herb. And I make an omelet and I eat that. After I eat that, I take a cup, 12-ounce cup maybe, and I fill it up halfway with oatmeal. In the oatmeal, I used to put water, but now I put kefir. I put a scoop of whey protein, which is 18 grams of protein. I put 5 grams of creatine and 5 grams of L-citrulline. I stir it up and let it sit for a few minutes till it gets softens. It softens up pretty quick, and I eat that. In total, my breakfast is 6 egg whites, which is about 24 grams of protein. The oatmeal with the kefir and the 1 scoop of whey protein is about another 20. So in other words, I eat 50 grams of protein in the morning. High quality protein. Later on, I do my workout in the morning, whatever workouts I have to do. Then around 12 o'clock, I eat lunch. I'm giving you examples. I eat different things every day. Like I eat sweet potatoes or organic macaroni, organic pasta, brown pasta, which is high in protein also. With that, I eat a non-fat tuna, or I eat 4 or 5 ounces of chicken or turkey. It depends, or fish. It depends. The bottom line is I make sure I get 50 grams of protein. The bottom line is I get 50 grams of protein in there with 40 grams of carbs. And I don't add fat. I don't add any fat because it's already some fat in the foods. Personally, when I'm in cut-up mode, I don't add any fat. I don't add olive oil. I don't add nuts and seeds. I don't add none of that stuff when I'm in cut-up mode. I avoid fats because the food I eat, there's just a little bit of fat in it, and it's enough for me. Then around 4 o'clock, 4 hours later, I eat again. And again, it depends. I eat every meal. I eat vegetables, and I eat a source of carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates. I love sweet potatoes, not white potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. And again, I eat, depending, I mix it up. I eat either fish or chicken breast or turkey breast, or Pollock fish, which has zero fat. I make sure I get 50 grams of protein, 40 grams of carbs, and I put no fat. I don't add any fat to my foods. Then that's my third meal. My fourth meal is around 8 o'clock. I'll slow down with the eating here. I'll probably eat a protein bar with a protein drink that I either make or I buy. It's a protein shake, but it's nothing fancy with the protein shake. Just a regular protein shake. I don't drink. I stopped drinking milk. I don't drink milk because I notice when I drink milk, my cuts don't come out as good. Even if it's non-fat for some reason, I don't know. Even if it's skim milk, it's just weird. I just don't eat milk anymore. And my last meal is about 11:30, 12 o'clock. Again, I eat 6 egg whites, and I'll eat maybe some skyr yogurt with it, no sugar, and that also comes up to 50 grams of protein. Actually, there isn't that many carbs in there. I don't go to sleep with carb meal. I go to sleep with a high protein meal, no fat, no carbs. That's when I go to sleep. But after I eat my last meal, I stretch out. I do a stretching routine for about a half hour to 45 minutes. That helps me really get ripped. The stretching, I don't know what it does. It does something to my metabolism, and it tones you up. Incredible. Do this before you go to sleep. Every night, you have to be dedicated. You'll get ripped. That's what I eat in a day. 250 grams of protein, 200 grams of carbohydrates, and 10% of my calories come from fat. But I don't add the fat. The fat is already in the food. And that's how I get ripped. I will speak to you about some of the workouts I do in another video. I hope this helps. Have a great day.